Kuya mo siya.
What about the other? Because now that I'm driving, I know another place.
Yeah.
Yeah. This will be fun to take this to Billings.
Yeah.
We like it. See, that camp is way too big.
This is what I like. There's Turner. Oh, there. Grape picking daw. Pick tayo ng may mga grapes daw sila. Oh, wow. Ito nga, I think may bunga na to. Ito, oh. Dito ba tayo magpipick? Hindi. Ayan, oh. Grape picking daw. Oh, ayan. Wow. Wow, there's a lot. Let's try. Let's try, oh. Oh, you know, pick na, pick. Oh, grapes. Ayun, there's, oh. Uy, okay mo. May buto siya, pero. May buto.
You just grab the stem and pinch them off.
Yeah, wow.
I'll show you how to.
You can hurt them.
When you
Grape picking. Oh, grapes. Unlimited grapes.
go right down to the base of them and pinch.
Oh, okay.
I got a leaf,
Are you enjoying this? Yeah, go, grab one.
but I'll grab you.
Go.
If you'd like.
You like it?
And we don't
Yeah, there's
spray
a lot.
anything on them. So
Oh gosh, so good.
Grape picking. Brother Kit is there. Turn
some
Kent?
people freeze them on purpose,
Uh-huh.
and then they.
They will grow back in spring?
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay, wow.
Yep.
So is that what you do too?
Nope. I just pick them and then I cook them down and I make grape juice
Oh.
or we make grape jelly.
No, I mean...
He just winters just like this.
Oh.
The leaves fall off, but he just sits here and winters.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't. If I had to replant, I probably would.
Wow.
I think we need scissors.
Yep.
No, he taught us how to do it.
Oh, okay.
There's some that's hard to cut.
Yeah.
That one. It's just different than that.
If it's like easy to,
I'll grab some shears though.
That's not part of the harvest. It's the flower.
Enjoy. There's a lot of, ripes.
He said we can have all we want.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Grapes is under.
Ay, lipat. Ano ba dyan? Ay, lipat. Awan tayo nyawid mo na. Oh, signal? Daddy, yung baka yung...
The shear?
I'm afraid about the scissors.
I will get the shear. I'll get. Yeah, there. You go there.
I think I'm good.
Yeah, that's a nice picture. That one, oh. Those grapes. Ang dami. Nasa ilalim. Ang daming grapes sa ilalim. Sobra. Nabibigay. So we're picking.
Oh yeah.
The first year or two.
Fox elder over there.
Nice taste. Oh, wow.
Let's go.
Go.
Malou? So you don't, so you're on no sort of any sort of a meter.
Tapos I'm picking, ano ba to? Parang hardened fruit ba? Bunga ng pine tree, ayun oh. Aesthetic kasi ito eh. Nakita ko dinidesign lang nila sa table. Nilalagay nila sa jar na babasagin. Then ang ganda lang niya. Nasa gitna ng table, ganyan, or mesa. Try ko sa school or sa table ko sa classroom. Let's eat more. Pang design, aesthetic. Nakita ko kahapon sa bentahan ng sasakyan doon sa City Motors. Nakalagay lang sa table nila yung ganito, di ba? Mapupulot mo lang. Yan ang ganda na yan. Enough na siguro ito. Hey, what are you doing? Hi. Turner, taste. Turner! Turner!
Okay lang. Urisi kami mo.